So we are installing this JDI push start ignition we got here. Everything is 100% plug and play. We've got a main relay. This is a replacement for the main relay with this piece here, which will then the kill switch will be plugged into. Remote mount that. And we also have the wires to plug into the factory stuff so that we could then use push start with this. Like I said, this is all plug and play. JDI box and the scanner ring here, and then we have the plug which will sense the signal from the brake pedal to allow you to be able to start the vehicle. This thing is gonna be really nice. I'm definitely getting one of these for the CRX, so yeah, this is nice, and let's see how it goes together. So there are two different push starts that you can get. This one comes with the kit. It's got these tabs. You fold back and you slide it through and close the tabs up. And there's another one that's actually a cylinder. I think that one fits a little bit better, but this one should work as is. New relay for the main relay. This one allows you to run this kill switch here. So you can locate this somewhere else, somewhere hidden so you don't know it, and it'll connect between these two. So this wire right here is for the brake switch. The purple wire is for an immobilizer, which this car doesn't have, so we don't need to use that. And on the brake switch, this green and white wire right here, it's hard to see, but the green with the white one right there, the green with the white line, we use that, crimp this thing on there, slide this male connector into the back side of this, and should be good. Now with all of this done already, the only thing we have to do next is to plug everything into the box, tie everything up, mount our ground, and position where we want our kill switch to be, and then the car will start. It does have 4 pins on the back. They're actually switches. They determine, number one determines if it's in the up position, it'll crank for 0.8 seconds. If it's in the down position, it'll crank for 1 second. The second switch is the system will automatically rearm after 30 if it's up and 60 seconds if it's down. Number 3, when you press the button once, it'll start the car if it's up, and if you press the button once, it'll just turn the accessory on if it's down, and then you have to press it a second time for it to start. And then number 4 is normal brake mode and return current mode. That's mostly for Volkswagens. So we're just gonna leave everything how it is currently, and it should work really well. I may put number 3 down so that it will prime and then start the car. All right, got the scanner sticky taped in the bottom here, so gonna get that on and clipped in. Should be good to roll. So I got the wires ran up over the column, down behind some harness, and gonna plug them in. I'm gonna tuck this box up, hiding away so no one can get to it. Try to get these wires out of the way. Well, everything is tucked up out of the way. Only thing we have to do is mount the kill switch, and everything's good. Should not come in contact with your feet at all. It's looking really nice. Get it all back together and see what she looks like. Everything is installed. Everything's looking real clean. You can't really even see anything. It comes with 2 key fobs and the ghost key. So we're gonna try the ghost key. See if it works, see what happens. I have the kill switch on, so it should work in prime. Cool. This is accessory. Fuel pump primed. It'll probably start. Oh, okay. Nice. I wasn't ready for it. It started. I thought it was gonna start when I pressed the button. It actually started when I pressed the brake pedal. I mean, I know I had to hold the brake pedal to start it, but when I pressed the brake pedal, it actually gave it the signal to start. That's cool. Sweet.